We're right now at El Polo. So I got my El Polo chicken. My honey's got his also El Polo chicken. I got my rice though. I prefer rice.
Fresh calamari.
Calamari. Yeah, it tastes so good. Very good.
Unbelievable.
Spicy wings.
These are like 5-star. This is 5-star bar food.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Wow. It reminds me of the air fryer, huh? Air fryer. I can make this.
That's probably what it's done. It probably is.
It looks like it
Yeah,
was.
it probably is. No doubt. It's healthier.
We should take a look at one. So I can buy like this. I can try it, huh? Oh, just like what Bob did.
Let's wait till you get down there, honey.
Okay.
When you get down there, you figure out you have room for it, then you buy one. Okay? You have a car, you can drive to the store, you can buy one.
Okay.
Vegas is a lot down there. No reason to haul it all the way down there.
Yeah, this was air fried.
Yeah, I agree. Not that spicy.
Yeah. I expected more spicy.
I mean, it's spicy, but it's not that spicy.
Yeah. Fish and chips. Yeah. Very good. And some coleslaw and some fries. I like it. I like this.
What's your treat?
Yeah, it worked. This is my grilled tilapia from that griller, honey. I love it. Okay, this is my sirloin steak, 10 ounce, worth $20 at Chili's. All right. Let's eat, honey. Well, I guess I have to eat again. It's 2:23 a.m. So this is my early breakfast at Denny's. I had to come here kasi nagutom ulit ako. Kain ulit tayo, anak. This is fried chicken with some sauce. So that's 17.62 and this is 21. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So the change will be her tip. Oh, kandasawa, lemon cake, cookies. Oh, diva, puro kain. Oh, no. Yan. I also got the sinigang mix. Ayun.
Yes.
I never thought that there's a Filipino store right here.
Where do you live?
That's so funny. Okay, there's a guy right there and he's holding a sign that says disabled guy. So I guess I'm gonna just give him some money. Okay. So I'm just gonna give him all these pennies, nickels, 1 cent each, but $5 per bag. So that's what I'm gonna give. I guess I'm just gonna give them all. A while ago I've given the rest to that lady, and then now I'm gonna give this 2 bags to this guy, and then if I'm going to find more later, then I'm going to give more for some other people. So this is actually $10. Hello, I got here. So I'm going, he needs this bag. I got all this. Per bag is $5, and I have 2 bags. Okay, so this is equivalent to $10. That can help you. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
God bless.
Please take care, and God bless too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. At least I have given to that person, so that's another $10. So I've given $20 all in all today, and I hope they're gonna be blessed. Oh, sinigang na manok with tamarind soup. Chicken tamarind soup. Oh, diva. I can still eat what I want here in the US. Oh, sarap. Oh, yan, Stanley roast chicken. Oh. So it's not only you have roast chicken, I have roast chicken too. My fried rice and salad. Let's eat. My leftover from Domino's Pizza. Hindi ko na i-video kanina, pero may leftover. So now I'm eating again with my salad. Kain Stanley. Pizza. Yeah.